wondering if it's time for you to do couples therapy. Maybe you're kind of on that edge of you don't really know if your relationship needs it or not. I want to talk to you a little bit about what would indicate to us that a couple needs therapy or not. Because frankly, there are plenty of couples that come to my office that I don't think need therapy. They want therapy because they're very motivated people, and so they're excited to kind of be the best that they can be. And I love that. You know, there's a lot we can do with couples that are not in huge distress, but just really want the best, you know, tools that we have available to them so that they're on a path that they can make sure that they're not going to get into a bad spot later. But a couple needs therapy when we're seeing one of these four things. When we're seeing stonewalling, which is really when somebody's ignoring their partner. When we're seeing criticism, when somebody's attacking their partner verbally. When we're seeing defensiveness, when you're really not owning your part. Or when we're seeing contempt. And contempt is really when you're seeing yourself as superior to your partner, or you're believing your partner is the problem. If you've gotten to the point of contempt, you absolutely need to work with a good therapist. If you are having fights that keep coming up over and over again, and it doesn't seem like they're getting resolved, yep, that'd be a good sign to come to a couples therapist. Now, if the issues seem to be moving and you feel like you guys are actually making progress when you talk about it, you probably don't need a therapist to resolve those. It's really when it seems like you're getting stuck and you're not making movement. Or if your relationship has felt stagnant, like there's not much passion left there, or you're almost just kind of like roommates. You know, it's not an immediate crisis, but I worry about relationships like that because those are the relationships that we end up seeing an affair with, or something ends up happening that really gets them off track. So in those kinds of relationships, I really would recommend working on your intimacy and getting that to be in a better spot. I think if one person really feels like you need couples therapy, it's worth coming in at least for an assessment. And sometimes when I do that, I actually will say to the couple, you guys are okay, you don't actually need this. Now you can choose to come in, sure, I'm happy to, but you don't need it. I think being able to ask your therapist honestly, is this a situation that you think needs therapy and needs more support or not, is very useful. So this has been 2-Minute Tools with Theresa Benoit. Learn to love better and be better loved. Call us today.